Hello, today I'm going to talk about the chemical family monoterpenols. So this family is one of my favourites probably in the aromatherapy world. And the reason I like it is because it typically is quite safe. So it's really good for building your immune system, it's antiviral, antibacterial, but it's very good for, I like to use monoterpene oil, rich oils for the foundation of my blends. So I like it in there because it's not going to irritate the skin, it's not going to be toxic, it's one of the safer families. And I kind of use it a lot when I'm making immune blends, terrain blends, or beauty blends. So today I'm going to make a happy hair oil blend. So I have used this blend for years. And what it basically is 3 different essential oils. We use Helichrysum, Helichrysum, Geranium, and then we use Bergamot. And I use a sesame oil base. So I simply take 100 ml of sesame oil, put it in this bottle, and I always put my aromatherapy into glass bottles. I never want to use plastic for loads of reasons, but I also don't want the chemicals of the plastic to seep into the product and disrupt the quality of the aromatherapy products. So geranium is my oil of choice today, and the reason I'm looking at it is because of the geraniol content. So the chemical component geraniol is in geranium at about 10%. It can be slightly higher in some oils. In this one it's at 10.7%. So I'm going to put 10 drops in here. Geraniol is anti-inflammatory, brilliant for building the immune system as well. 4. And then, so it's it also smells beautiful. Geranium essential oil is brilliant for balancing hormones and moods, but it's very good for revitalising your hair, as is bergamot, which is the next one I'm going to use. I'm going to use 10 drops as well of bergamot. So bergamot is very good at literally brightening hair and skin, but it can be irritating to skin, so be careful, don't use it in very high doses. But it's perfect in 10 drops in this blend. And then the Helichrysum it's like gold to skin and hair. I'm only going to use 5 drops because we don't need any more than that, and it's quite expensive. So with Helichrysum, for me, it's a quality over quantity situation. So those are my 3 essential oils. And that's my happy hair oil. It's really simple. You can use any hair oil you like. I like sesame because the antioxidant content is very high, and the vitamin E, A and C is very high, which is brilliant whenever you have really dry ends, really dry hair all through. So the best way to use this product, once you've blended the oils in, is you either can, it smells beautiful as well, you can either put it into the ends of your hair and leave it in for 20 minutes, or what I do is I put it in my hair, comb it through my hair twice a week, and sleep with my hair oiled all night, rinse it out the next morning, and because there's no harmful chemicals or any really heavy molecules in here, it'll rinse out with one shampoo, so it'll not slow you down the next morning or anything, but your hair looks so glossy and so healthy after this treatment. So use it as a quick fix my hair 20-minute session, or you can use it as an overnight treatment. Let me know if you like it.